Today we got this iPad. It's iPad Air 5th generation, and we are going to replace a new screen for the customer. The customer brought the new LCD to replace it for him. What I'm using now it's alcohol isopropyl to remove the adhesive. Let's continue watching. In this iPad screen, we have three flex cables. It's on the right side of the iPad. So you have to be careful not to damage these flex cables. The screen is not working. We just have lines. You can just damage it, but you have to be careful of the glass not to fly to your eyes or harm you. This is very serious. I also recommended you to use gloves to avoid any risks to your hands. I'm used to do this work for about 8 or 9 years, so I have experience to do this without any risk. Also, the risk can be happens. The most important thing is your eyes. So you can know what you are doing if you have experience. If you don't, anything could be go to the next level or to the different thing you can't even imagine. I'm putting the alcohol to remove the adhesive. The alcohol make adhesive soft so I can remove the screen. You can see how the alcohol make the adhesive is unusable or not working. If that screen is working, I probably remove it more effective way. I'm not worried about the screen. I just want to remove it and not making too much glass on the sided frame because I'm going to clean it. It's better to remove the screen one piece to avoid cleaning. This work of iPad is sometimes very hard because the edges of the iPad could be bent, and if this corner is bent, you have to make it straight and right. Otherwise, you can't put the unused LCD on the position. It won't fit, and the corner will be out and not attached to the frame. And this is makes problem, and you probably could damage the screen while you are pressing it down while you finish putting the screen. And this is a common problem could cause to anyone with low experience. So I always recommend you to see if the screen is attached to its place before you put the adhesive. You have to make sure everything is right. After that, you can put the adhesive and finish the job. As I told you, the three flex cables is on the right side of the screen while you are holding the face to face to you. Also, we don't need to damage these flex cables. We could make any short circuits. Alright, we have some screw to remove. First, I remove the battery screw. After that, I will put something under the battery and between the battery and the connector on the main board. I don't need any electricity to go to the circuit, to the motherboard. Because when I unplug the three flex cables, I could make short circuits. So this is very important to do. Unplug the battery of all kind of iPhone or iPads. First thing, remove the battery. Unplug the battery. This is very important. Short circuits could be happens, especially to the light, to the backlight circuit. always recommend you to sort this screw because any screw could be different from each other. So sort them and do not mix them. Alright, we have 1 and 2, and this is the third one. After we remove the screen, we are going to proceed with the cleaning. Cleaning is very important because any tiny piece of glass still on the frame could broke your new LCD, and this is happens to me. I didn't pay attention to a small tiny piece of glass, and when I put a new screen, it was iPad 3. It's about 5 years from now. I was putting a new LCD for the iPad 3, and when I press it down, the screen cracked. I was confused why it's cracked. I'm always doing and cleaning very good. So I logged why the screen is cracked. I noticed a small piece of glass. The screen was broken, so the tiny pieces of glass could still in there. So this is very important to clean them very, very, very good. Perfect. This is the new screen. We have stickers. You have to remove these stickers. All the stickers, when you install the new screen, you have to remove everything. All the blue things or the stickers can be removed. Remove them all. We don't need to let anything on the screen. Some people install the screen or anything while everything is on place. I don't know why they do that. These things, they should be removed, not to stay in the screen. They are not made to let them on the screen. I'm always recommend you to test the new LCD before assembling because the screen could be damaged, not working, cracked, anything could be happened. So it's better for me not to make more job for me. It's to test the thing before assemble, and this is a very good way not to make the work hard. We always want it to be easy and not take a long time to fix it, to do it. Alright, let's try power on the device. The screen is working and the screen looks very good. Alright, I don't know the password, so I just tried the keyboard, and also I'm trying the home button if it's working or not. In that way I can know if we have any damage with the screen or not. The home button is moving all the way of the screen, and that's very good. Now I am going to disassemble the screen and continue cleaning, and then I'm going to make the corner good so the screen can fit on the position and without pushing it hard, and this could make the screen very, very soft to be cracked when it's dropped to ground. Any small drop could cause the screen to be cracked or damaged. So when you put it on the flat and make it flat and like the company, it's very, very better, and this is the way how we do the job. I'm removing anything from the glass or the adhesive, the dust and everything. We have to make all the frame is cleaning and ready to be fit with the screen. Also, I'm using the alcohol. It's for me, everything should be very, very clean and no space between the screen and the frame. This is very important to be done. I think I should leave you with a video for a few minutes, maybe. I come back. Alright, now everything is clean. I'm going now to remove everything blue on the screen. Remove all the stickers and let's continue to see if the screen is fit. I didn't make anything to the corner yet. So I'm going to show you how everything should be done. Alright, I'm just now going to press the screen to see if it can be fit. Alright, let's now grab the iPad and look for the corners. Alright, down seems good. You can see the iPad itself, it's bent. It's bent from the middle, and also the corner is damaged. Here the screen is not fit, so we can't do that. We can't assemble in that way. We can do it, but we are not going to do it. Also here we have a problem. The frame is out. We have to press it down and make the edges, the corner very good. Alright, I couldn't show you how to do that because it takes a long time and I'm using a screwdriver with the hammer. I'm knocking with for the corner to bend the corner. I'm going from inside to outside. It doesn't do too much, and also you have to be careful while you are doing that because you could remove all the corner if you push the hammer too much. And also it's the second thing I do using a knife. I cut some of the metal. You can see how I'm scratching that metal. I did that too much. I think this iPad took me about 2 hours to be finished. It's a very hard job to do. Alright, was the last thing I did. Now you can put all the glue all over the iPad. Be careful of the sensors and the camera. No need to put too much glue. Align it's good. The screen itself didn't came with the adhesive. Some screen could came with adhesive. So if you don't have adhesive on the screen, you have to put it by yourself. I'm using this adhesive. It's a black adhesive. It's good with the black screen. You can't notice the adhesive. It's better maybe than no color transparent adhesive. For me, it's waterproof. It's written on there, and it's good also for plastic. It's CP002. I'm using this adhesive for about maybe 2 years. For now, it's very good, and this is a new one I'm using now. I just opened it now. It's last about for 3 months. After that, the adhesive inside will get some solid, so you have to push the, I don't know what it's called. You have to push it hard to push the glue or the adhesive out. Now we are going to finish our job. Press these 3 flex cables. After that, you have to remove the sticker under the battery. It's important to do that. Now we are going to put the shields with the screw. Put all the screws, also the battery screw. It's very important. Make sure everything is assembled as it was, how you open it. Don't remove any screw, don't remove any shield. Everything should be back in place. This is very important. After that, all we have to do is to put the screen on the position. It's a few seconds and this will be done. It's left 2 screw. It's at the top. The one is down. The second. By the way, don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel to grow up and make more videos. And if you want to donate, we have PayPal down in the comments. And if you have any questions, you can just write it in the comments below. We can answer it as we can. Now you can put the screen down. Alright, it's a glow, it's okay. We start from one edge to the other edge. Alright, screen is fit perfectly. You can see that it's fit on the position. Nothing is fly up or nothing is up. Everything is down. And this is very important and this is very good. I'm very happy. And the customer will be very happy. Everything has been done. The job has been done. Thank you for watching and we will do something else in the next video. Stay tuned. Peace.